لا تجزعي
Dabbatul Ard, the beast that walks the earth. Ad Dabbah in Arabic means anything that walks the earth from an animal form. So it walks the earth, and it's called a beast because it doesn't have a particular human form, nor is it known to be of any animal form that we know of. And Allah says, تُكَلِّمُ النَّاسِ, it will speak to the people with speech that you can understand, this beast. There are many narrations in the ahadith about the nature of this beast, the features of this beast and what it looks like. And there are many weak hadiths, fabricated ones about it. But what we do know is that it's a beast, and it will be carrying with it the stick of Sulaiman, and it will wipe the people in two different colors. One is a dark color and one is a light color. And when we say dark, we don't mean the African look. And when we say light, we don't mean the white person's look, like the Europeans. But the point is, it will come to separate the good from the evil, and you'll be able to tell the difference between these people. And it will speak to the people, and Allah would have sent it like a messenger, but not a prophet or a messenger that we're talking about. It's like a different type of messenger. The world will know about this beast, and it will go to everybody. It will travel the whole earth. People will hear it.